Today, we're looking at a premium, lightweight, packable backpack. One that's designed to be used as a day pack when you arrive at your destination. But honestly, this thing is so well made, you might even want to use it on its own for weekend travel. This is the Go Pack 2 from Air, and in this video we're going to take a look at the pros and cons, the materials and dimensions, and then we're going to pack it up with all of the essentials for a day out exploring while on vacation. And if you don't know Air, they're a San Francisco-based travel brand started back in 2014. They manufacture design-forward bags, backpacks, and luggage made with high-quality materials. Thanks so much to Air for sending me this bag to try out, and if you love this thing as much as I do and want to snag one for yourself, be sure to use the affiliate link in the description as it helps out the channel. So first, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of this packable backpack. Pro number 1, it is super lightweight. Pro number 2, it is made with a crinkle nylon that is really easy to spot clean. And pro number 3, the bag packs flat inside of luggage or other carry-on backpacks so that it can be used as a day pack at your destination. So now, a couple of cons you may find when going with a packable backpack like this. And con number 1, there's no structure to the bag, so it will not be able to stand on its own. Con number 2, because there is no structure, the bag can also look kind of saggy if it isn't packed out completely when you're wearing it. And con number 3, there is no padding in the laptop sleeve. And while you probably won't need a laptop while you're using this as a day pack, it is just something to be aware of. So now let's jump into the specs of the bag. The Air Go Pack 2 is 17 inches in height, 11 inches in width, and 5.5 inches in depth for a total of 20 liters of capacity. It is made with a light 210D Cordura crinkle nylon and weighs just 1.3 pounds. The bag features YKK zippers and Duraflex plastic hardware. It comes in 3 different colors, the lunar gray we see here, as well as black and olive. The backpack retails for $99 US. So now taking a look at the bag. As you can see in the front, there's a large, easy access pocket with a magnetic fastener for things like books or magazines. There's a quick access top pocket for things like sunglasses or a camera. There's a large main compartment, and that's going to have 2 little pockets on the front side. And then there's going to be a laptop compartment for up to a 16-inch computer, as well as a mesh zipper pocket in front of that on the back side. There are 2 water bottle pockets on the outside of the bag. There's a nicely padded back panel with a luggage pass-through as well. And then pretty well padded shoulder straps as well. And these are also going to feature those little elastic loops to help stop the excess strap from dangling. And then lastly, you're going to find a little handle on the top of the bag. So let's pack this thing out for a typical day while on vacation. And each person is going to pack differently, but these are the things that are important to me while I'm walking around during a trip. So be sure to envision what you would pack while you're watching this video. And we're going to start with this overshirt from the J. Crew Wallace & Barnes collection, which is just a nice to have this time of year when the weather is constantly fluctuating. Next up, I'm going to bring along my passport, which is always important to have with you while traveling. I'll also bring this little MagSafe power bank from Casely, which is super convenient to use when I need a charge. Next is this little sunscreen, which is obviously essential when walking around outside all day. I'll also bring my Contax TVS point-and-shoot camera, because for me, vacation is the best time to snap some photos. While walking around, I'll also need my sunglasses, and my preferred pair are the original Wayfarer Classics from Ray-Ban. Next is a travel guide from Moon, and here I have the one for Cuba, which my wife and I used back in 2017 when we visited Havana. It's still the best trip I've ever been on. Lastly, we're going to add a water bottle to stay hydrated, and then an umbrella just in case we get caught in some rain. And that's going to do it. What do you think of the Air Go Pack 2? Would you use a packable backpack as a day pack while traveling? Let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.